And so we're back, and I have cleaned this particular area of the business, and as you can see, it is completely clean, very clean. There's one or two little spots here and there that we could not get to come out, but for the most part, virtually everything came out. Looks very, very good, I think. They are going to be very, very pleased with it. No, that great big spot that was there, not there anymore. This area right here you see right there, it's actual wear in the carpet. It's not a spot. And there was an area right here. It's gone. There's a couple of spots here, but upon further review, they are actually damage to the carpet. It's not it's kind of melted, you know. So that we can't do anything about. But it looks great. It looks fantastic. Like brand new carpet. And that's what American Carpet Cleaners does. We take your carpet and make it look new again.